Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code open source AI code assistant which will be a great alternative to ChatGPT or Claude AI or Google Gemini as well. So if you go to the extensions tab, just right here continue. This is the AI code assistant which is available for completely free, and you can use it unlimited number of times. So there is no restriction right here. It is completely open source. So this is their official website as well. If I show you continue.dev, so if you visit them, you can see, if you click the pricing here, they do offer this free plan here which is more than enough for you. So they offer this VS Code extension right here. Simply install this, and as you are coding, this will give you suggestions, auto complete, and you can even ask a question as well. So once it is enabled, it will be, if you go to the file here, it will add this option right here. If you see continue, simply click on that, and this is the actual thing here. So here you need to log in first of all. So log in with your account here if you're doing it for the very first time. So I will sign up with my Google account, and then it will redirect you back to the VS Code upon login successful. So now here you can select the models here, or you can ask anything here. Let's suppose make a calculator in HTML CSS. You can add a model here. So all such models are there. If you see, if you drag down, Gemini, Anthropic, Claude AI, you can see all these models are there. DeepSeek. So here you just need to add the API key right here of each model. So go to the respective website to paste this. It also provides you the Olama model as well. So you just need to paste the API key and then you can get started. So this is a nice little open source alternative that you can use inside VS Code. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.